Hi, I'm Tundi. In this tutorial I want to show you how to copy an index. How to make a copy of an index and its data. Let's start. It's very simple, so I will start to list what indexes I have. I prepared the indexes called vehicle, started from name vehicle. Get indices. And here I want to make a copy of the index called vehicle motorcycle. In order to do that, I will create the post type of a request, choose a raw JSON, and here I will type re-index. This is very good. Here I'm creating the JSON type of a content, and here I will type first source. Index. Now index name, so vehicle motorcycle, and destination. As a destination, the same. And let's mark it as a copy. That's it. Run it. Copy is done. Now I can switch to another tab and search for the data. So I will type, let's use the copy paste. Let's copy the name, vehicle motorcycle, wildcard, underscore search, and let's search it. The copy got search. Okay, let's delete the dash. Now I have two of them. So I copy the index and its data. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment how you like this method. And if you want more, just leave a comment and subscribe. I will post more videos in future. Bye.